Insights are running ahead of drawings at the moment. I haven't been doing any drawings because I'm a bit fed up with the whole thing. Truly. I want help. I want the world to see this. I want the world to see that it's a disc. I want the physicists to go, oh, fuck, we were wrong. The liars, fuck off. Those who are fooled, great. They say, brilliant, we've now got the truth, let's go. And you do it. Yeah, you do it. You do the work. I've done enough. Say it's easy now. The world should be a disc. And it should flap exactly as the Milky Way is seen, flipping and flexing. That's the action of a disc. That's the strength of the universe that holds it all together. We make that as small as possible. Compared to the Milky Way, the Earth is tiny, but the strength of that is massive because it's the greatest mass moment of the whole sphere of influence. The greatest mass moment is at the centre, and the greatest mass moment is the conscious mass moment. And that's just simply the relationship between the pi's. Pi tensor. Pi elastic is a tensor created from pi real and pi natural, and there's a balanced harmonic between them. Here's the structure. So a sphere of water, currently, a sphere of water is compressed because pi natural and pi real are working together as compressive forces. The only thing that resists it is the mass of the water itself, but the cavitation still exists inside the single molecule of water, the time particle centre of the planet. That crushing force, it's about to flip from its pi real ratios. So pi elastic, pi Archimedean, pi elastic I call it, yeah, is the circle of the mirror. Sphere of water is half cavitation, half mass at a diagonal. The diagonal is a mirrored surface. The diameter of the mirrored surface from tip to tip of the mirror is pi elastic. Yeah, it's C over D. Yeah. That's pi elastic. But there are two other pi's because it's a sphere of an actual existing entity. So the outside surface, the surface tension exists. So the outside surface tension is pi real, 22/7, and then the arena in which the pi real is created from, the bending force is created from the crushing force of pi natural, the cosmic microwave background. Every beat of H, really fast, the cosmic microwave background closes as topologically flat. And it becomes a circle made of straight lines, but it's a sphere made of flat windows. And those windows will be hexagonally framed, ICE 18. Inside each of those frames, a billowing window. It goes up and down. Right? And so, the moment, we are in egg parasitic phase. We are half phase consciousness, showing that we are hibernating. Planet's in hibernating, we're an egg. But that we get to choose when we break out. And we break out when we choose positive, choose love, choose to see that this is true. So the pi natural, yeah, 3.144.605.110.2969.3144, well, it has a repeating pattern of 3144s, and in the centre of that is a solid modulus. Those numbers are the pin code of the universe. It's the solid modulus that's created when the cosmic microwave background closes as topologically flat. So here's the construction. The wave is breaking. Is it sighing? Is the wave just sighing, the window sighing? Or is there a wave breaking motion at the center? Because this is light. We emit light. It arrives at the cosmic microwave background at exactly the same moment of H. And the wave breaks because it's just water. We force here. And the force is seen, action on the surface. And so does the wave sigh or does it break? At the moment it's just sighing. Okay? And because it's just sighing, it means that the cosmos itself is no longer expanding. It's just sitting, compressing, acting here at the center, compressing. So we have a sphere. Pi elastic across the equator. Pi real across the outside. And then you can draw another circle around it representing the cosmic microwave background pressure. And that's the ring tension, the red. So we've got red, pi natural, black, pi real, blue, pi elastic. 3 circles. Take a segment of the circle and draw a chord. That chord is the center, is the surface of the sphere, so therefore it's a circle. From the center, look up. If that chord you've drawn, if you're inside the circle, the sphere, you'll see it's a circle, a disc, a lens, right? made just from the force that's holding together those two pieces of segment, right? And that's our job. So now look at this segment, and I want you to draw it as a lens. Let's take the bottom, let's take the base of the sphere and draw a pi natural sphere like this, a pi real sphere like this, and a pi elastic sphere across the center. So at the moment we've got the red and the black lines running together. Take the black line and place it over the top. Just pull it up like that. Now you've got like an eye. Right? That's a balanced system. Yeah, that's perfectly balanced. The pi elastic now is set up to vibrate harmonically. So the pi elastic now can take up shapes. It's a straight line up now, a mill pond, but now that's rest time. So let's put the action back. We know we're twisting. The angular momentum is created, but it's conserved quantity in rest mass time. So the rotation is back. So now it's twisting on that flat surface of pi elastic, actual surface of water. And so it sinks and rises, creating a harmonic, and that's pi real and pi reals. So now we've got a balance between our pi real and our pi elastics across the harmonic as a shape. The other shape we can take is that wave can break. So the equator, we got goes into the crest and the trough as a yin yang rotates. One rotation, at that point of the rotation, it either breaks or it sighs. So if we decide, does the wave at the cosmic microwave background sigh or break? And the difference is that it just glows or shines to observers from outside. So our surface of the cosmic microwave background exists in the infinite ocean, and it's visible to other water seed realities that are created. They see ours is just a dull, glowing egg. What they want to see is shining surface, hemisphere, over the top. It's what they will see. And then they'll come and visit us. Because the relationship is just simply that we have created the positive momentum has been added just through choosing love, has been added to this force of twisting at the surface of water, so delicately balanced between these two massive forces. Yeah. Choose love, and the wave breaks. Half-phase consciousness is parasitizing each other. So the narcissism and the hunting for validation is a base level behavior that's driven that we feed off each other. If we actually work, right, we stretch further so that there is additional energy to take, so that the yolk kind of creates itself for the seed to feed on. Yeah, and that's been our job for some time. That phase is over, eggs about to hatch, and we're about to return to the golden age. Consciousness is about to go to full +1 AC phase, and we have to just ride with it. It's our nature. Our true nature is about to be revealed. But if you go with love in your heart, you won't go far wrong. Welcome to the future.